Exercise is more than just a way to look fit. It's a powerful tool that transforms our body at a cellular level, influencing everything from mental health to longevity. But how exactly does it work? Science has uncovered some fascinating insights into the ways physical activity reshapes our health. Welcome to Spin of Facts, where we uncover fascinating stories from history, science, and beyond. In this documentary-style exploration, we dive deep into the physiological and psychological effects of exercise, revealing the incredible benefits that movement brings to our lives. How exercise boosts brain power. Physical activity isn't just good for the body. It plays a significant role in enhancing brain function. When we engage in exercise, our heart pumps more oxygen-rich blood to the brain, which helps with memory, focus, and cognitive function. Research shows that exercise stimulates the release of Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells and strengthens neural connections. This process is essential for learning and mental agility, particularly as we age. Regular physical activity has also been linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, exercise encourages the release of endorphins, which help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Even moderate activity, like a brisk walk, can significantly enhance mood and mental clarity. This makes exercise a powerful, natural way to improve brain health and keep our minds sharp well into old age. How muscle growth really happens. Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights. It's a biological process called muscle hypertrophy. When we engage in resistance training, tiny tears occur in muscle fibers. In response, the body repairs these fibers by fusing them together, making them thicker and stronger. This repair process is fueled by proteins and amino acids, which are essential for muscle recovery. Growth hormone and testosterone also play key roles, triggering muscle protein synthesis and accelerating tissue repair. But exercise alone isn't enough. Proper nutrition and rest are equally important. Without enough protein and recovery time, muscle growth can be hindered. Progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or intensity of exercises, is crucial for continuous muscle development. The more we challenge our muscles, the more they adapt. This process not only builds strength, but also increases metabolism, helping the body burn more calories even at rest. Understanding the science behind muscle growth helps us optimize workouts for better, long-lasting results. The surprising impact of exercise on sleep. Regular physical activity has a profound effect on sleep quality, improving both duration and restfulness. Exercise helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, our internal clock that controls sleep-wake cycles. It also reduces stress and anxiety, common culprits behind insomnia. Studies show that people who engage in moderate-intensity exercise, such as jogging or strength training, experience deeper sleep and spend more time in the restorative stages of sleep. Additionally, exercise raises body temperature, and as it cools down afterward, it signals the brain that it's time to rest. This natural cooling effect helps us fall asleep faster and enjoy more uninterrupted sleep. However, timing matters. Intense workouts too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect by keeping the body too energized. Consistently incorporating exercise into daily life is one of the best ways to naturally enhance sleep patterns, allowing the body to recharge and recover more effectively. How exercise strengthens the heart. The heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it grows stronger with regular use. Cardiovascular exercise, such as running, swimming, or cycling, increases heart rate and forces the heart to work harder, improving its efficiency. Over time, the heart becomes stronger and more capable of pumping blood effectively, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Exercise also promotes better circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the body's tissues more efficiently. Another key benefit is its ability to regulate cholesterol levels, lowering bad LDL cholesterol while boosting good HDL cholesterol. Regular physical activity also helps manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Even short bursts of daily movement can significantly improve heart health. This makes exercise one of the most effective ways to maintain a strong, healthy cardiovascular system and increase overall longevity. The role of exercise in weight management. Weight management is often associated with diet, but exercise plays an equally crucial role in maintaining a healthy body composition. Physical activity helps burn calories, but its impact extends beyond the workout itself. Exercise boosts metabolism, meaning the body continues to burn calories even at rest. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective at increasing calorie burn long after a workout is over. Strength training builds muscle, which requires more energy to maintain than fat, further enhancing metabolic rate. Exercise also influences hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, such as leptin and ghrelin, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. While exercise alone isn't a magic solution for weight loss, combining it with proper nutrition creates the most effective strategy for long-term weight management. Whether through aerobic activities, strength training, or a combination of both, staying active is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity-related diseases. How exercise improves immune function. Regular physical activity has a profound impact on the immune system, helping the body defend itself against infections and illnesses. Moderate exercise stimulates circulation, allowing immune cells to move more efficiently throughout the body. This enhances their ability to detect and fight harmful pathogens. Exercise also reduces inflammation, a major contributor to chronic diseases. Additionally, it helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol, which, when elevated for prolonged periods, can weaken the immune response. However, balance is key. While moderate exercise strengthens immunity, excessive high-intensity training without adequate recovery can have the opposite effect, temporarily suppressing immune function. Studies suggest that individuals who engage in regular, moderate exercise experience fewer colds and infections compared to those who are sedentary. This makes exercise a natural way to enhance the body's ability to fight off diseases while promoting overall well-being. The connection between exercise and mental health. Exercise is one of the most effective natural remedies for mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which create a sense of well-being and reduce stress. Exercise also lowers cortisol levels, helping to manage anxiety and prevent chronic stress from negatively impacting the body. Additionally, physical activity promotes better sleep, which is crucial for emotional stability and cognitive function. Activities like running, swimming, or even yoga have been shown to enhance mood and improve self-esteem. Moreover, the discipline and structure of a consistent workout routine provide a sense of purpose, which can be beneficial for mental health. Exercise can also foster social connections, whether through group fitness classes or sports, reducing feelings of isolation. By incorporating movement into daily life, individuals can improve both their mental and emotional well-being naturally and effectively. Why movement is key to longevity? Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for extending lifespan and maintaining quality of life as we age. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, significantly increasing life expectancy. Exercise also helps maintain muscle mass and bone density, preventing age-related frailty and reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Cardiovascular fitness plays a key role in sustaining energy levels and endurance over time. Additionally, exercise supports cognitive function, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Even simple activities like walking or stretching contribute to better mobility and flexibility, allowing individuals to remain independent for longer. The cumulative benefits of exercise extend far beyond physical appearance, promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle well into old age. Prioritizing movement throughout life is one of the best ways to enhance longevity and overall well-being. From strengthening your heart to boosting brain power and even extending your lifespan, exercise is a science-backed tool for a healthier life. It's not just about looks, it's about feeling your best and optimizing your well-being. So whether it's cardio, strength training, or just staying active daily, every movement counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Spin of Facts, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to stay active? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.